got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Had some fiddlers left over, so decided to come back out here. Got exactly 1 dozen left in the bucket, so they stayed alive. We're gonna try to use them today and catch a few more fish. Y'all stay tuned. I see a decent sized fish right here. I wouldn't say decent, but I see some fish up under me. And so far, none of them are eating this crab. Let's see if we drop it down here, if they're willing to eat it. It looks like mangroves. They're on it now. They're looking at it. They have no desire to eat it. So let's keep going, but it's a nice little piece of structure right there, and it's holding fish. I can't tell. They kind of look like small mangroves to me. I'm trying to see if I can spot any. Here's a redfish right here, feeding on the bottom. Is that a redfish or a bass? It looked like a bass. Let's go scouting. Let's see if we can find anything along here. Might even throw this at a redfish if we see one, because this water's pretty clear. There's a sheeper right there. He's eating on the bottom. I scared him with the kayak. There's a guy right there. There he is. Let's see if we can get him. Yeah. Okay. There's one right there.
There's a reef right there.
I see one right here, right behind me.
Yeah, there was a guy out here. He pulled.
There's one right up under me. He's going past us. Look like he don't want nothing to do. Let's see if we can throw up on that over there. And I'm seeing sheep here. There's a big old redfish over there. Let's see if he'll eat this. Nope, spooked him. Meanwhile, I'm looking for convicts. Think I could have done a better cast on that redfish and put it way up ahead of him. See if he would just scoop this off the bottom. And that's how we figure things out. Gotta go out and explore and check the area out and see if it's gonna produce or not, because you never know. There's one right here. Oh, he got spooked. He was sitting in a hole. There's one right there. How did he not eat this crab? He was sitting there. He saw it. There he is. Spooked him. They're good sized ones too. I think my crab is busted. There he goes right there. Get it. Get it. Get it, dude. Oh, that spooked him. He probably doesn't want a dead one. All right, let's do some regular fishing here. We're gonna work our way towards the creek. Since our crab here has been dead for a little bit, and that sheepshead did not want it. I think they wanted a fresh one. That was our last crab. So what we are gonna do is try to find some redfish or some trout. Let me check the time. Yeah, we got about 45 minutes to do that. So let's grab our jerkbait here and see if we can find us a redfish. Let's troll this guy. So we get over to the creek. Oh. Something. We got something here. I'm just trying to get my hat. Hopefully we don't lose this fish. Trying to do a hat recovery here. Feels like a redfish. He ate that X-wrap. Just glad he didn't go into a dock. Gotta be a big red. Put a little more on him because I feel like he's going into a dock. Hopefully it's not like a... Come on. Stay on this guy. Because he pulled a lot. He had me worried there. We got him closer here now. Let's see here. Big old redfish, man. He's gonna run. There he goes. Big old redfish on the troll. Heck yeah. Did not expect that whatsoever. Let me hit the reverse on him here, because he's just circling on us. Man. Heck yeah, dude. Man. There we go. Just trying to loosen a little drag. That feels pretty good. Man. Here he comes. Look at him. Big old redfish. He's probably a good 35 inches. Gotta be. If not, pretty close. Heck yeah, dude. That is awesome. Let's get him. We're gonna measure this guy too. So let's get him unhooked. Back in the water a little bit. There we go. Get this hook out of here. Come on. keep the hook out of the way so we can get this fish back in the water. Rehook it to the net there. Come on, buddy. What a pain sometimes. All right, we got him. We got him. All right, let's keep him in the water here for a second. Let's see here. Let's see here. Make sure I'm recording on this one. We got him. Man, I did not expect that. He's probably gonna be 32, 33 inches. All right, y'all, let's get a good measurement of him. These are coming back pretty quick. Here we go. He is, let's see here. Let me pop these off. Don't need those. All right, he is 32, I would say almost 33. 32 and a half. 32 and a half on this fish. Beautiful. All right, let's let him go. Y'all check this fish out. Dude, 2 spots on this side. And then a big old spot on that side. Man, what a beauty. Thanks, buddy. Man, what a fish. Dude. You ready? All right, go for it. There he goes. Heck yeah, dude. That was sick. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Had those extra fiddlers, so that's why we came out the second day. Only had 12 of them. We saw some sheepshead along the docks, but I think we spooked them to the point that they weren't gonna eat. Either way, we know that they're there. Didn't expect to catch that redfish trolling, but you never know. I guess that's why we troll. Just, you never know what's gonna happen. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all next time.